looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in granite crystal. With LED low and high beam headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch gloss black 5-spoke aluminum wheels, bright side roof rails, gloss black exterior badging, black daylight opening moldings, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3.5-inch cluster with TFT black and white display, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, piano black interior accents, tire service kit, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3380A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.